In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Photoshop on Windows 11. Whether you're a budding photographer, a digital artist, or just someone interested in retouching some photos, this guide will help you get Photoshop up and running smoothly on your computer. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head on over to Adobe's official website, which is adobe.com. Once the page loads, you'll notice an array of Adobe's creative products. But what you want to focus on is the top right corner of the screen. Look for the Sign In button. If you don't already have an Adobe account, don't worry. You'll see an option to create an account there as well. This will unlock access to Adobe's range of software tools, including Photoshop. If you're setting up a new account, simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign-up process. Make sure you verify your email address, which is a step you'll encounter if you're new to Adobe. It's an easy process, requiring just some basic information, and it ensures you get important notifications and access to all your Adobe products. Once you're all signed in, the next step is to get the Adobe Creative Cloud. This is an essential tool as it manages your Adobe applications and updates. Navigate to the Download section of Adobe's website and initiate the download for Adobe Creative Cloud. After it installs, open the Creative Cloud app. You'll see a variety of Adobe programs that are available to you. Inside Creative Cloud, click on the Apps tab. This is where you'll find Photoshop. It might be featured prominently since it's one of Adobe's flagship products. Scroll if necessary until you find it. Once you've located Photoshop, go ahead and click the Install button next to it. The download might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. The Creative Cloud interface will indicate the progress, so you can watch as Photoshop downloads and installs itself onto your computer. This part requires a bit of patience but is largely automatic. Once the installation process is complete, you can launch Photoshop directly from the Creative Cloud app. Alternatively, you can find it listed in your programs and apps on your computer. At this stage, if prompted, you should sign into Photoshop with the Adobe account credentials you created earlier. Logging in ensures you can access all Photoshop features and lets you save your work to the cloud, which can be invaluable if you're working on multiple devices. And there you have it. Now that Photoshop is installed and ready for use, you can start creating or editing right away. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you find Photoshop to be a powerful tool for all your creative needs. Happy editing!